Hello, it's David Jenkins, and as you know, my book has been out for a month and now available on Amazon. I'm also excited to share with you, I'm currently running book workshops and have done several already. The book workshop takes just a couple of hours. It can be done virtually or face to face. And the purpose of the workshop is to provide an understanding of the content required to deliver project success. We start off by looking big picture and understanding why is project success fundamental. Then what we do is we look at technical leadership and tease out why is technical leadership so significant in delivering successful projects. We take a look at the project fundamentals as well as the common project mistakes that we make in delivering our projects. We round all this off by looking at the project success formula with its supporting framework. And hanging off this framework are a number of tools that you can use to deliver better projects. The actual workshop is light, fun, and conversational, and it gives you an opportunity to reflect on your current projects and learn a little bit about what you can do to improve them. If you would like to know more, simply reach out to me and have a wonderful day. Goodbye.